Yeah, he's too much of a coward.
Come on.
That knife isn't on thing, so yeah, we're good.
Jesus. I can't do this.
Jesus Christ.
If I generally can't do
That's why I have a. Come on. Look at my camera. Come on. Shit. Dude, come on. Dude. Come on. That's right.
I warn thee that beyond this point, my powers can no longer protect you. Accept your fate.
I don't know if it's the Alright, come on. Let's go. Yeah, no shit. It's like a backrooms level. Shit's like a backrooms level.
Yeah. That's what you did. Imagine if this place was fucking empty when we left that. Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
I know.
Got some good footage though.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I feel like she's gonna fall.
You paid for it. Okay, good. My wallet's with me. Come on. Sorry. Sorry.
You're not. Hurting, I'm freaking terrible.